Hello, today we are going to find out the centroid of the composite figure, and we have already taken the questions of the composite figure, and to find out to determine the centroid of the figures, and here we go through the dimension and check out it's symmetrical or not, and give the reference axis first. Put the vertical line as a y-axis, and the base would be the always x-axis. We need to know about that. We always, if we taking a reference axis, we always take from the left side so that it is easy to solve. And this composite figure can be the divided into the two rectangles, and first this this could be the one this could be the one rectangle, and this could be the one rectangle, and named as the bottom one as a name as 1, and the upper one be the 2. So we go through the dimension, and gives after giving the names, giving the name from rectangle 1, from rectangle 1, and which is situated in the base of the x-axis, so we need to find out the first area of this triangle named as A1. Is equal to, we have the formula of rectangle of area is b into h. We have the b, it means base of the rectangle is 12 mm, and the height of this rectangle is 200 minus 12. Check it out and calculate it. It could be the 2256 mm square. After finding the area of this rectangle, we need to go through the centroid to find out the centroid of this rectangle named as x1. This could be simply written as from this axis, from x-axis, from here to here, the length become the 12 by 2. This could be the 6 mm. We already known about that the centroid of the rectangle is the half of the base, or the through any axis, y or x-axis. Simply the centroid of the y1 is equal to height from here to here. This could be the 200 minus 12 divided by 2 minus be the 12 mm. Now we go through the second rectangle from rectangle 2. From rectangle 2 we have to find out the area A2, named as A2. We have the formula b into h. Rectangle 2, this rectangle 2, the base dimension is 150 mm and height is 12 mm. So we write here 150 into 12. It could be the 800 mm square. the centroid. The center of this rectangle be the 150 by 2, because the center of the rectangle through the x-axis is the half of given length of the base. So that x2 be the 150 by 2, it could be the 75 mm. The same way y2 be the 12 mm divided by 2. Why? The center of the rectangle through y-axis is the half of the given height of the rectangle, but we have to take from the base from here, from here, so that it could be the 200 minus 12, 200 minus 12, 200 minus 12 means up to this height, 200 minus 12. Add plus 12 divided by 2, because it's half length of the height. Then it could be the 194 mm. Now the center of this composite figure, combined one rectangle, two rectangle, then it could be the formula. We have already have the formula. X bar formula is a1 x1 plus a2 x2 by a1 plus a2 y bar. The centroid of this composite figure about y-axis, a1 y1 plus a2 y2 by addition of these areas. Put a1 x1 plus a2 x2 value from rectangle 1, rectangle 2, then simply it could be the after putting the values from rectangle 1, rectangle 2, there is the solution. Here x bar is 36.62 mm and y bar is 138.37 mm. 30 x bar is 36, means 36.62. it become something like that. It will be large here, 36.62 and 168.37 be here. So this is the centroid. Center of this composite figure x bar y bar. Thank you. This is the solution.